See if we can make a heads or tails of this. Tinkering with an engine. I'm just looking in here. Not doing anything magical, just seeing what's in here. I already know what's in here because I like to watch videos. I don't know how to get this off. Does this come off by... It's bolted on there. Yeah. That bolt. Is that bolt? Now the question is that the right size? Oh. That's not the right size. That's what? 16? 15? No, watch. The one size I need is going to be missing. 14. Oh, there we go. 17 millimeters. Now, I'm assuming that I need that on there to get this off there, because there's no way in hell this is going to stay in place. So yeah, we'll put this back on there. And we'll take a look. Whee! And we'll stick a bigger screwdriver there because that one's not big enough. Come on, get in there, stupid thing. Get in there. There we go. That one goes in there. That one goes in there. Okay, that's it. Now I'll put a bigger screwdriver through here so I can possibly see if that comes off. Will it even work? Maybe. Okay. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Turns it off. Whee! What a surprise. Now, it'll come out. Did I have to take this off? I don't know. Is this supposed to come off now? Let's check. That screws into there. That screws into there. I'm guessing I'll probably have to deal with a hammer. Something not so deadly, just to give it a little bit of a kiss coming off there. Okay, let's see. Is that gonna come off? Let me give it a tap. Does one come off? Let's see. That's up, but where won't it come off? Oh, there we go. There we go. Now is it lined up with something? Not sure. There's a notch right here. So, there we go. There's a little spot there. That looks kind of crusty in there. Don't look too bad though. Other than dirty and crusty as hell. This, like this off. Yeah, so that goes. It's got paper on it. Well, the coil looks okay. That's the points. They don't look too terrible either. They look pretty brand new, actually. It don't look like it's 40 years old in here, that's for sure. I'm assuming it was changed at one time, so now this was lined up right like this. Ooh! Thought I was getting my fingers there. Let's go like this now. Clean this off real quick. This all there. Put it back on real quick. And there's no spark plug. So we can't even tell if it could spark. There we go. Well, we'll just put it back together. Wrong way. Something fell over there. I don't even know where the hell the spark plug's connected to. There we go. All right, I don't know. I'll clean it off. I'll see what happens, and I will acquire some parts and do what most people do: buy a new engine. I don't want to buy a new engine, but I have a feeling this thing's toast. That's just my hunch is it's toast, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Yeah, clean this off here. Should spray with some degreaser. So yeah, I guess this cover, I need screws for the cover. The string on here too. So, yeah, it goes on like so. Yeah, no cover screws. And this cover, is this the wrong cover? Let me see. Oh no. Oh, that's a bolt hole for that cover, but that doesn't. It just Screws on the bottom and on the top. 2 screws. Okay. I need one of these. Neutral. There's a switch here. And should I dare take this apart? Let's see. Let me turn this off. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is me fiddling around. Thanks. Stay tuned and I'll be doing more crap. Thanks.